Hey guys, I'm Elise Rainier and welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a subscriber of mine. And in today's video, ow, why are your claws out? And in today's video, it's a nighttime routine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First things first, I gotta make my bed. And Winnie, I'm pretty sure he puked on my blanket like really early in the morning today, and I still haven't got my comforter off. So let's go do that. He's such a good kitten. Like, look at him. He has zero fucks to give. Zero. He's so chill. Alright, let's do that. So I just cleaned off my bed and I put the dirty comforter in my dad's room where the dirty laundry is. He said he'd wash it today or tomorrow, so I have 2 blankets. They're small, but it should be fine. I'm gonna clean up my floor because there's stuff on it, so let's do that. I'm done tidying up my room, but I have dishes to clean. I put it right there, but I also have a cup. So I'm gonna go clean those and I will be right back. Okay, it's Winnie's dinner time, so it's time for him to eat. He eats in his playpen, so that's where I'm going to set up his food. That's good enough. I mix water into his food because he never drinks his water, so he needs more hydration. And now I mix it with the container. I made it way soupier than it was supposed to. I'm sorry, guys. How this works. Get back. Boy. He's sleeping in there tonight because I have school tomorrow and he has a tendency to wake up really early to bite me on the legs, the feet, and the arms. And my face, he steps on it. So, he is sleeping in the playpen tonight, and trust me, it's freaking huge, okay? He shouldn't have a problem sleeping in there. Hopefully. He stopped climbing it, so he doesn't get bloody noses anymore. He finally just figured out to just chill out. Go to sleep. I need to take a shower. But I have to do homework. Looks like I'm gonna be up really late today. just gonna do some homework. I decided not to take a shower because it's already 8:01. I have to go to bed soon. So I'm just gonna do some geometry. Frick. Okay, I just got the random herbs to clean out all of my Christmas decorations. So, first thing I'm gonna start with are these, because I'm too excited for Valentine's Day. I'm decorating in January, and there's nothing you can do about it. So, Christmas tree is good to go. I already put my mini Christmas tree away, and a couple other things like the garland on here because my cat kept waking me up in the middle of the night playing with it, so it had to go. I got this new kitten here. My sister gave it to me, so I can stay. Let's roll a time lapse, shall we? Okay, my room is all naked now. I've taken down all of my Christmas decorations except for this garland, because I think I'm gonna like decorate it with like hearts or something cute. I'm not quite sure yet, but I also kept that red garland around my door because it's red. Valentine's Day is red and pink, so I have to find somewhere to put all this and find something to put on my shelf because it looks so bare and sad and just sad. Alright, I'm just gonna put some of my Valentine's Day decorations out. These are just a bunch of stickers that I'm probably gonna like stick somewhere, I don't know. A little red heart. I might put a little red heart stick right there. I don't know. A pink heart. I think I should bring my globes back out. I took it down for Christmas, but I'm gonna put it back up because it's January and Happy New Year's. I'm not decorating yet. I'm saving it for another video because I have more things I can collect. I like heart lights. But they're not a lot. As you can see, they're not very long. Oh, okay, hold on. I was like, okay, I knew they weren't long, but that's really short. I was thinking about like putting on the garland or something. Or maybe putting it on my I need to switch my Valentine's Day ones out with my Christmas ones. Or I could put on my mirror. I don't know. I probably will put it on my mirror because it's less noticeable when it's on there. I never see it, and I don't think anybody outside really sees it, so I'm just gonna put it on my mirror so I can enjoy it. Decorative chocolate heart boxes as decoration. My dad gave me a bunch of them because he was like obsessed with the chocolate last year, and I have a been using it for painting, but some of them I still have. And like, maybe that isn't like the cutest decoration. Rather than hang it up, it would be cute. No? If I got this off, it would be cute. Yeah. So, got my decorations out. I really want to decorate. This makes me excited, but not yet. My room is looking very bland now, so I'm gonna hang up some of my regular decorations, like this, and this. So I'll be right back. Okay, I kind of decorated. It just looked really bland. It's gonna look bland for a little bit, but it'll look better soon. Hopefully. I'll probably film a video on it tomorrow where I decorate my room for Valentine's Day. It'll be cute, I promise. Okay guys, I think I'm just gonna end the video here because it's getting pretty late and I don't want to wake up my kitten because he's asleep right now. So thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see other videos like this one. Bye guys!
I know you got all dressed up for the club, waiting on Nick.